And NDTV's coverage of the big political potboiler simmering in Karnataka appears to have triggered an all-out political storm because speculation over a possible change in Chief Minister in Karnataka come winter this year refuses to die. Speculation over a possible elevation for Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar is still finding traction with the possibility of a central role for the incumbent Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, as he's been included in the OBC wing of the All India Congress Committee, which is at the centre in Delhi. Now, the calls to install D.K. Shivakumar as Chief Minister as a result of the possibility of Siddaramaiah being elevated to a central role refuses to die down. Now, the Chief Minister says he has no idea about any appointment. There are other reports that suggest Siddaramaiah is only a member, he's not going to be leading it, and that does not impact his position as Chief Minister. Net, the controversy remains alive.
ನಾನು ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರೋದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್. ಹೌದಪ್ಪ, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. OBC ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಕೇಂದ್ರದ OBC ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗನ್ನ ನಾನು 15ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಂಚಾಲಕರು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾಗಿ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನನಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಡೋಗದ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್
ರಾಜಕಾರಣ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಏನಂತ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲೂ
Mr. Siddaramaiah has contributed to the AICC in many ways over the last few years. Now, there is, of course, talks that he will be given a very prominent position in the OBC advisory committee as well. Now, this could be an additional, position for Mr. Siddaramaiah to handle. Whether he'll actually want to take it up is another question. Meanwhile, the BJP, of course, here is saying that this is an attempt by the High Command to really, settle the differences that there are within the Karnataka Congress unit and move Siddaramaiah to a national role, paving an easy way for Mr. D.K. Shivakumar to take over and therefore putting an end to the power tussle. As far as Mr. Siddaramaiah is concerned, he has said that if any responsibility is given to him, that he will take it up, but he needs more clarity as to what exactly the role that has been given to him, and we'll really have to see how this pans out. Mr. D.K. Shivakumar has said he himself and many others have recommended that Mr. Siddaramaiah should be made the head of the OBC advisory committee, considering the fact that he is one of the more prominent faces that the Congress has from the OBC community to represent the party and also advise on how to go ahead in other states in terms of development and other work that they could carry out for the community.